What's up, YouTube? We back here again with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a wheelie progression video. So, my second day on the lot. Yesterday I got some good runs in. Not trying to push my limit too much. So enough talking. Let's get on the bike. Do some light baby clutch ups. Let's get the feel back. Not bad, not bad. I'm nervous. I'm cold. Come on, man. It's not that big of a deal. Just remember, rear brake. Rear brake saves your ass. I'm trying to go at lower speeds. Like 10 to 15 miles per hour is more comfortable for me. I need to pop that clutch more. I'm like death gripping it right now. Fuck, I need to relax. Relax. I don't know how high I'm getting either. That's why I'm glad I'm recording. See, I do good and then I go right back to what I was just doing that was bad before.
2 seconds later.
What? Come on, man. You're acting scary for no reason. There we go. I mean, we're getting it. We're getting it. Definitely getting it for sure. It's fucking 48 degrees right now. I'm out here fucking in the lot practicing. I'm not trying to chase them out because I just feel like that's kind of dangerous, considering that like I'm not that good yet. So I'm not trying to chase them. I'm just trying to pop it up. Well, I think that was a good little session in. I got a few good ones. I'm fucking freezing. I think I'm gonna let it go for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was probably gonna be a short one, and as time goes on, I hope to get better and better. See you guys next time. Peace.